कोणाला नाही ना. Okay, so it's 3:08. 3:08 हो गए अभी, and the market has seen a good amount of fall, and I had a chance to increase my profit basically. So right now I'm sitting on a comfortable profit of 8 lakhs 34,000. Okay, so मेरे पास कैपिटल अच्छा खासा है. आई हैव अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ कैपिटल, बट स्टिल इट इज लोअर देन द कैपिटल आई हैड बिफोर. सो नाउ स्टिल ऑन दैट, इट वाज अ इजी मार्केट टुडे. काफी It was an easy trade basically. Market swiftly came down. So what happened? What are the uh, sequence of events that I will explain you? Yesterday night, Federal Reserve came out and it said that it is going to increase the interest rate by 0.75, which is the highest increase in interest rate in like 16 since 1994. 1994 means almost 16 17 years, easily you can say. And that is the reason why it has taken a very huge negative turn. European markets भी 3% के आसपास नीचे है. US will also open 2.4% negative. So what I am going to do is I am expecting tomorrow also the market will open negative. So अगले हफ्ते के मैं कुछ options खरीद के रखूंगा. So I am trying to see which put options to buy. Either I will buy 15,100 next week. Sorry, next week. 15,100 नेक्स्ट वीक पी 23 जून का जो एक्सपायरी है वो पी में खरीदूंगा. um, that is out of the money 15,100. Probably I can do 15,600. Why I do in the money? Because I want to capture as many points as possible. Now this is almost 230 points in the money. um, I don't want to take a lot of risk, so I can take a lot of risks. So what I will do is I'll buy only 1,000. I can do 15,500 put option also of 23rd June. Yes. So that also has a lot of in the money this thing value. So I want to buy as cheap as possible, but in the money. Okay. So if I consider 15,600, then 230, 100 is the time value that it has, and 15,500 if I consider I want to buy, then it has 140 points time value. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll buy 1,000 overnight position because I expect the market to come down even further. Okay. So I bought 1,000 quantity. In I have some clients or client accounts also. I will buy the same option, but little because some accounts are of low value. So I'll buy little less volume. So here you can see I bought 1000, and this is my total day's profit. Now in my client's account, I will buy less volume, but I don't want to miss out on the profit, so I'll buy like 200 to 300 volume. Okay, so what I'm expecting is that tomorrow also the market will open negative and similarly it will go down. Okay, so what I wanted to show you is that now already the market has corrected so much. What is going to happen next? Probably the market will settle down somewhere here, 15,000 or something. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, so as you can see, still there is no recovery in the market, no major recovery completely, and probably the selling was so huge that is the reason why it came down. Obviously, foreign investors might have sold, mutual funds also might have sold. Many people's stop loss might have been hit because market opened at 15,860, and from there, one straight leg of selling, no recovery at all, no extreme volatility. Only extreme volatility came at 2 3 points. Once was at 12 o'clock, 12:10, around 12:10, and next was here at around 1:30. So 12:10 probably was because of the European markets open at around 12:30, and here this one probably extremely sold, so someone might have gone ahead and buy. So now, which stocks to buy, what to do if you have a long-term portfolio, what to do? The long-term portfolio obviously is going to underperform for a very long time. So you will have to make your adjustments accordingly. So, but I just a few minutes back we came across a stock, Nestle, which is not negative today. Nestle प्राइस बहुत ज्यादा है लेकिन ठीक है, it is worth investing if someone has good amount of capital. You can definitely go ahead and buy. Nestle 2020 का जो हाई है उसके लेवल पे आ चुका है. Okay. Now, in the 1 day chart, you can see the highest point for Nestle in 2021 September was 20,600, and in 2020, before the COVID fall, the high point was 16,900, and right now it is at 16,864. So it is a very very good buy. अब जो भी companies 2020 2021 में बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गई है, और जो 2020 फेब से पहले जो क्रैश हुआ था उसके लेवल पे आ गई है, दोज यू कैन कीप बाइंग. बट यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट एक्सट्रीम bump up in this price. These recommendations which I am giving are good for long term. लॉन्ग टर्म में ये स्टॉक काफी अच्छा बढ़ सकता है. एंड ऑब्वियसली नेस्ले इज अ वेरी वेरी गुड कंपनी. In my clients portfolios and in my personal portfolio also, we are going to go ahead and buy Nestle. Little by little we are going to keep on increasing. Now let's look at which companies fell a lot today, which companies were responsible for this kind of major fall. So let's have a look. So here you can see, as I was saying, you should be very careful of Adani Group. एंड हियर यू कैन सी अदानी आज बहुत ज़्यादा सेलिंग आ चुका है. बस अदानी ट्रांसमिशन पॉजिटिव में है. अदानी, देन द लेटेस्ट लिस्टिंग ऑफ अदानी ग्रुप, दैट इज ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूसली इन 5% नेगेटिव. एंड देन लेट्स लुक एट इंडेक्स, कौन से कंपनीज के वजह से मेजर फॉल आया. ऑब्वियस फॉर कैंडिडेट्स ऑफ फॉल आर बजाज फाइनेंस, बजाज फिनसर्व, देन भारती एयरटेल. और आज सबसे ज्यादा कमोडिटी स्टॉक्स लाइक कोल इंडिया, टाटा स्टील, ग्रासिम बेसिकली डील्स इन एल्यूमिनियम, कॉपर, so that is under the fall. Then Hindalco, Hindustan Aluminium, the previous name was Hindustan Aluminium and Copper लिमिटेड, ग्रासिम आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप का ये एक पार्ट है, इट इज डाउन 6%. So what is happening is that when interest rates increase, commodity prices come down because dollar becomes strong. So these companies will start making loss now. ONGC, oil, commodity. Then next you go, cement companies like Sri Cement are also very much down. Tata Motors, obvious candidate of the fall. Tata still 6%. Now it has broken its most important support level and it is going to keep on going down. टाटा स्टील इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट लेवल वो समवेयर अराउंड 1100. डे के चार्ट में आप देख सकते हो हर बार वो 1100 के आसपास से वो बाउंस करता था. सॉरी, नॉट 1100, 1000, 60,000, 50 it used to bounce, and from there it is broken today and gone to 900 straight away. So Tata Steel is completely negative territory now. The downfall in the commodity cycle has begun because of the interest rate hike. IT companies are also down, obviously obvious candidates of sell off. So Wipro, let's have a look at Wipro. Let me zoom a little bit so that, and let me cancel some of these indicators. Some of these indicators are not that important to follow. So here you can see the high point of Wipro was 720 and now it is at 420. मतलब 300 point का correction, that is more, almost 40-45 point correction. On 2020 basis, the highest point was in 2019 of 300 rupees. So और 100 रुपए easily नीचे आ सकता है विप्रो, और वहां पे आपको खरीदना है for long term, not now. You should not go ahead and buy it now. TCS, let's see TCS also. TCS also today it has broken its support level and it is going to come down. ऐसा बोला जा रहा है कि यूएस में इस साल रिसेशन आएगा तो all these IT companies are going to correct very heavily. And 2020 high point was uh, 2280. So 20